Welcome to Beautyistic. Imagine the struggle of constantly washing your hands and dealing with dry, cracked, and irritated skin. Whether you're in healthcare, working in the service industry, or just have sensitive skin. If that sounds like you, I've got something that might just become your new go-to. Today, we're taking a look at Medline Remedy Skin Repair Cream. This product promises to not only relieve dry and damaged skin, but protect it from further harm. So, let's dive right in. Medline Remedy Skin Repair Cream comes in a convenient 4-ounce tube, and in this case, you get a 3-pack, so you'll have it ready when you need it most. The formula blends a powerful mix of nutrients aimed at helping your skin heal, like Olivamine, which is known for supporting healthy skin cell regeneration. It also contains dimethazone, which helps reduce trans-epidermal water loss, TEWL, to prevent moisture from escaping and keep your skin hydrated longer. The cream is non-sensitizing, non-allergenic, and importantly, it won't interfere with the effectiveness of chlorhexidine gluconate, CHG, so it's safe for medical professionals or anyone who uses antibacterial solutions frequently. It's also latex-safe, so you won't have to worry about it degrading gloves if you're in a professional setting. I've been using this cream for a few weeks now, applying it after washing my hands, and I have to say, it's been a game changer. The texture is thick, but not greasy, which I appreciate. I've noticed a big difference in how my hands feel. Less dry, less irritated, and definitely smoother. It absorbs quickly, leaving a subtle orange vanilla scent that isn't overwhelming, just fresh and clean. It's great for everyday use, especially during the colder months when the air tends to dry out your skin even more. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. First, the pros. This cream does exactly what it claims to do. It deeply moisturizes, reduces irritation, and protects your skin from further damage. The formula is also gentle enough for sensitive skin, and the fresh scent is a nice touch without being overpowering. On the flip side, the only downside I can see is that because it's quite rich, it might feel a little heavy if you're not dealing with extremely dry skin. So, if you prefer something lighter for day-to-day use, this might be a bit much for you. But for those with rough, cracked skin, it's perfect. As for value for money, this 3-pack is priced well, especially when you consider the benefits it brings. Each tube lasts a decent amount of time, and since it's effective in restoring moisture and healing damaged skin, I would say it's worth the price. When it comes to alternatives, I can think of a few options out there, but this one really stands out for its non-sensitizing formula and ability to work in medical or high-contact environments. Other creams may work well for dryness, but they often don't meet the specific needs of those in more sensitive, high-exposure jobs. The build quality of the packaging is solid, and the formula holds up well in terms of performance. There's no breaking down of the product over time, and the tubes are compact enough to toss in a bag for on-the-go hydration. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. In terms of customer support, I haven't had to reach out to Medline directly, but they have a solid reputation for handling any inquiries professionally, and the product itself is backed by quality standards, so you can trust it. In conclusion, Medline Remedy Skin Repair Cream is a solid product for anyone who deals with dry, cracked, or irritated skin, whether from frequent hand washing or other environmental factors. It provides excellent moisture and protection without irritation, and the fresh scent is a pleasant bonus. If you're looking for something to restore your skin's barrier and keep it soft, this is definitely worth trying. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.